My name is Edward Harner. I'm the COO of Green Solar Technologies here at Mission Solar. We were honored to go in front of the United States International Trade Commission in favor of tariffs on solar panels so that we could protect American manufacturing. And now we're seeing the fruits of our labors. We came over here to San Antonio to the manufacturing plant of Mission Solar, the premier American solar panel manufacturer. We at Green Solar Technologies are proud to partner with Mission Solar. Mission Solar has the highest quality panels made in America, and we really felt like their value of investing in U.S. manufacturing was aligned with us and our desire to keep Americans working in solar.
We just want to give a big thank you to the entire team that came and toured our facility and visited us here in San Antonio, Texas. The Green Solar Technology team, you've been a pleasure to host and to show around. We're at the end of our production stage and we're getting ready to, truckload was just packaged, ready for shipment, so we're excited to see these modules get right back to you.
Thank you so much for showing us the facilities. It's really interesting to see the inside of a U.S. manufacturing plant. We're very proud of supporting U.S. manufacturing, and we're very excited for this next partnership with Mission Solar.